It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome you guys to Thredup Thursday. Today we are going to be opening a Thredup Fun Box, and y'all, this one is a big one. We've got another big Thredup box. I had a really small one recently. Of course, I get the kind of regular size boxes all the time, and on occasion we get a larger one. So I'm hoping that Thredup sent us some good items in this box. If you happen to be new here, well, hey, my name is Christina and I'm a part-time reseller. I sell here on YouTube and then lots of other platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Depop, Mercari, and The Real. So if you're new here, welcome. I love jewelry. I love opening mystery boxes and I love reselling. So you can see some of the jewelry jars in the background that I haven't gotten to. I of course have some of my own jewelry on, and I'm getting ready to open a mystery box. So that kind of sums up the channel. If you aren't familiar with these boxes, they come from the Thredup Rescue Box website. And for the fun box, you get 10 miscellaneous items, and it's $34 plus shipping and plus tax. So for me, it comes all in at around 50 bucks, and you never really know what you're going to get. I get some amazing things. Sometimes the boxes are kind of meh. So we're hoping that this one is great. If you see something in this box that you want to purchase, you just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do all of my invoicing through PayPal, and I do $9 shipping, typically on items over a pound. If it's something light like a jewelry item or socks or something, it'll be $6 shipping. So that's kind of how that works. So without further ado, y'all, let's start cutting into this box, okay? Hopefully there'll be a receipt on the top and we can see when I ordered this one. I'm going to try to keep things upbeat. I am exhausted, y'all. I was up literally most of the night. I think I slept like 2 hours, you guys. My son could not sleep. And so when he can't sleep, I don't sleep. So he came and woke me up to tell me he couldn't sleep. And, you know, he's got midterms this week and he's like super stressed out. So he ended up falling asleep, I think, in my bed, you guys. Okay. So he ended up falling asleep in my bed, in my spot in the bed, mind you, at like 4:30 in the morning. So I ended up going back to bed for about an hour or two, but I am super tired. So if I look a little sleepy in the video, it's not y'all, it's me. So let's get into this and see what we got. I'm going to do first peeks for you guys. Okay. So I open the top of the box. I don't see a receipt and I see the tissue is kind of crumpled up. So things have been moving around in here. Let's pull the tissue and get a better look. Okay. Already very noticeable that we have some red and black items, and I see like a buffalo check. Y'all, this is kind of like a Christmas box, which is like perfect that I'm opening it the week before Christmas. Hello, I see some amazing slippers. Looks like we might have a jewelry case, earmuffs maybe. I don't know if this is sleepwear. There's something back there. So y'all, this one's going to be a lot of fun and it could be very merry. So I'm going to take a few thumbnails and I will be right back and we will see what I got from Thredup. Okay, I feel like we need to go for the slippers right off the top. Okay, so let me grab these. Oh, and by the way, when this video goes up, you guys, please make sure to drop in the comments. Hey, say hi. Many of you do that already. I love it. I love knowing who's watching the video. If I'm a little delayed in replying to comments or purchase requests, y'all, it's because I'm out with some friends tonight. During the time this video goes up, probably an hour before it goes up, I'm meeting some girlfriends for dinner. And so we're going to have a good time. Not sure how late I'll be out. Probably not super late because y'all, I only slept a couple hours. So anyways, if I'm a little delayed, don't fret. I am having a good time and I will reply as soon as I can. Okay. All right. So y'all take a look at these. We got some Sorel slippers. These are awesome. They're in a really cool like terry. All right. They're black. They are an open toe. And this still has the price on them. It says the black sea salt Sorel. And then it says for women. I'm trying to see a size. But it has a price tag of $19.99 on here. These are a size 9. So a size 9 for women, open toe, new with tags. y'all, this is awesome. Okay, so for the slippers, since new with tags, they're 20 bucks. I don't know. Let's say 10 bucks. 10 bucks for the new with tags Sorel slippers. We're off to an amazing start. That's great. I mean, next, shouldn't we go for these earmuffs? I feel like we should. We have a Sea Wonder. We have a Sea Wonder. It does say on here faux fur, new with tags. Hello. How adorable are these? They even have like a velvet top knot. That is so cute. So it's almost like you're wearing a headband. I feel like I have to put them on, you guys. Okay, hold on. I don't mess up my hair either. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. I love these. Okay, so we've got a Sea Wonder. I wish it was cold enough for me to wear like winter stuff here. Although I have on the most adorable little cropped sweatshirt, oversized off the shoulder. I love it. So it's a little cool here. But you guys, like really, it's in the high 60s. So it's not super cold, but for me, that's chilly. Okay, so these are great. I don't know. There's no price on. Oh, wait, there is. This was MSRP $12. So let's say $6. $6 on the Sea Wonder new with tags earmuffs. That's amazing. All right, let's see. I see a jewelry case. Oh, we have a black jewelry case. It does have the little pull on it. So new with tags. Oh, and look, it's got a K on it. That's adorable. I love that. Okay, so it's got a little gold K. I don't see any branding on the outside or anything. This is a perfect gift for somebody with a K. Love that. You open it up. You have your spot for necklaces. You have your spot for earrings. Oh, y'all, look how cute this little ring thing is. It's in like 3 different colors of metallic, or 4. I guess 4 different colors of metallic. That is so cute. I've never seen something like that. Again, I don't see any branding. Oh, wait. Just joking. It's inside the pocket by the necklaces. It says Nordstrom. That's awesome. Nordstrom. Beautiful jewelry case. Too bad my Christina doesn't start with K. It's a C. So for this one, we're going to say 10 bucks. 10 bucks for the Nordstrom jewelry case with a K. That's awesome. Okay, so let's grab this because I was curious. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. We have a little crossbody bag. I mean, is this supposed to be in the design of like a cinnamon roll or something? This is so cute. Let's see if we see any branding on the inside here. Oh, it was cut out. Somebody cut the tag out. This reminds me of like a little, like a Winnie the Pooh. I don't know though, but this is adorable. It's in good condition. It has like a little bit of lint on it. Again, I don't see any branding or anything like that. I may just Google lens this and just see if it's supposed to be like a little dessert. It's so cute. So we have a little crossbody bag, hopefully, and the inside's in good condition. It has one like slip pocket. Adorable. I will have a price on the screen for this one. That's cute. Okay. Oh, my receipt. We found the receipt. Okay, this one we ordered on October the 1st, so not super old. And again, $34 plus shipping and plus tax. All right, let's see here. We've got something buffalo checked, and it is also new with tags, which is awesome. I'm feeling like this is sleepwear. Okay. Totally Pink is the brand. It is in a size medium. And y'all, it's like a onesie. This is so cute. It is like an open leg, which is great. So it doesn't matter your height. Y'all, that's adorable. Somebody needs this. I don't know this brand, Totally Pink. Not sure. It is so stinking soft. I literally can't. Okay. So, anyways, I will look this up and I will have a price on the screen for the onesie. Y'all, full zip, jogger, like softest buffalo check onesie. That's amazing. Okay. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 things left. So we've got a belt. Okay, let's see if we see any branding. It's in beautiful brown, woven faux leather. It's in excellent condition. It doesn't look like anybody's worn this. I don't see any pulling on the little holes in the belt buckle. This is the belt buckle. I don't see any pulling on the holes for the belt buckle. Y'all have to excuse me. I'm delirious. Okay. So I don't see any branding on this. We're just going to say $5 for the belt. I think this would be really cute over like a dress or a longer shirt. So I will measure this off screen and I will have the size on the screen for you guys. Okay. So there's that. That's in great condition. All right. Then we have a little baggie of maybe accessories for your hair. Looks like we've got a headband. Okay, so let's start with that. Y'all know I love my headbands. I have like a faux leather one. Okay, and it's got like a little tiny knot at the top. It's so cute. I love this one. And I love when they're really like flexible so that I can adjust like where I need it to follow my hair. All right, so this one says handmade on the inside. This is in a black like velvet. And then it's got all these like multicolored like rhinestones around it. It's really pretty. If anyone's interested in the headband, I mean, it's in good condition. Let's just say $3. $3 on the velvet headband. All right, then in here, what's this? We have a new day. So that's Target, new on card, little bows. And these are little clippies. And by the way, I do want to point out that I do think this is essentially a themed, almost like Christmas, like with reds and blacks, I mean, and velvets. So, and a buffalo plaid, amazing. We have 3 different colors. These 2 are velvet, and this one's like a sheer, like almost like an organza, in like a berry or merlot, and then this one's in a black. They're this type of clippy, okay, that you just clip and slide on. They were originally $8, and then they were on clearance at Target for $4. So I'm gonna say $2. We'll do half of what Target was asking. And then this one, oh, this is adorable. Okay. This is by Mirabeau. This is the Giving Scrunchie. This is made with reclaimed yarn. This is so cute, you guys. Let's see. The tag on the inside says, every girl needs to hear this. Okay. You are beautiful. You are amazing. You are brave. And you are wonderful. New tags. Looks like the retail on this was $4.99. This was sold at a Hallmark shop. And it's really cute. It is almost like this woven with that reclaimed yarn it was talking about. Very boho. Love this. This is really cute. They were asking $5. So let's say $3 on this. New with tags. I love that. And that's the end of that little baggie. So we just have, from what I can tell, 2 items left. We have a really cute laptop case. This is a Mosiso. And you guys, this is almost like like a puffer vest. That's awesome. In a green with a gold zipper. And it doesn't look like it's ever been used. You have the gray interior in here. And I love this. It's got a front zip pocket. That's awesome. Right here. So you can put things in here as well. So if anyone's interested in the Mosiso, I mean green, let's say puffer vest, little laptop case, we will say $8. $8 for that. All right, last item. Also in reds. We had reds, greens, black, very Christmassy. Again, perfect timing that I just happened to grab this box. You guys, we have this. And it's Kate Spade. Beautiful, like Sapiano leather. Okay. It is a full zip around. So we'll zip it in a second, make sure it works. Just checking for flaws. There's one little scuff mark here on the back. Let's see what this is. Oh, I was hoping that this was going to be an agenda. I think this is so cute. This is perfect for the new year, for your planning. You have all of these card slots here. Okay. You have your Kate Spade branding. And then you have her signature black and white stripe that she uses in a lot of her bags and wallets. You have a spot for a pen, another pocket. And then Well, I guess it's an address book. I mean, you can add pages for an agenda. So you have one tab that says notes right here. Okay, and then this tab says addresses. So an address book, there's plenty of space here, you can see, okay, to add stuff for an agenda. So I bet you can order that on the Kate Spade website. I have a Louis Vuitton agenda, and I just order my pages from Amazon. Not Louis Vuitton, just generic. And then you have a little pop out ruler. That's amazing. Let's make sure the zipper works. It does. Y'all, this is awesome. I will look this up for comps, and I will have a really good price for you guys on the screen. I think that this might be my favorite item that was in here. I don't know, but this was a really fun box for it being like a Christmas theme and stuff like that. So let's count how many items we got. We got the Kate Spade address book / agenda for 1. We got the adorable pajamas for 2. We got the new tags earmuffs for 3. We got the laptop case for 4. We got the set of hair accessories for 5. We got the belt, which I feel like is the only thing that's not really themed with the rest of the box. Okay, for 6. We got the, did I miscount already? I might have. I don't know. We got the little purse for 7. I feel like I miscount. Did I miscount? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what I did. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I didn't miscount. 7, 8, and 9. So we're actually short an item. Now there were multiple items in the bag of hair accessories. Okay, so you could technically say that we did get 10, but when they're in a baggie like that, Thredup usually counts it as 1. So we are short an item in this box. Am I going to write into Thredup and complain about that? Nope, nope, not worth it. I only reach out to them very rarely if there's something that's completely off or wrong with my purchase. So aside from the maybe shorted 1 item, let me know what you thought of this box. I mean, I also do love this, you guys, and we got these really nice slippers too. So I don't know. I had a lot of fun opening this box, and I love that Kate Spade agenda, the jewelry case. I don't know. This was a good one for me. So let me know what you guys think. I will be back on Tuesday. I will be opening a real Goodwill jewelry jar. Haven't decided yet if I'm going to open the new one that I picked up when I was up in Dallas or one of my older ones here from Houston. The only problem is, you guys, the tree is right in front of where my old jewelry jars are. So I may open the new one. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, but I'll be opening a real Goodwill jewelry jar on Tuesday. And then Thursday is Christmas, you guys. And so I will be taking that day off and spending it with my kids. So until Tuesday, bye y'all.